Hello, I'm very happy to welcome you on this new training on Windows 10. So a lot of participants ask me to add this new training. So this is it. Wow, so happy to see you again. I hope that you enjoyed my other courses on my website, Fluctuation IT, but will be a new course on Windows 10. So I'm very excited to uh, follow this course. We will see so many things. It will be an amazing training on Windows 10. So, this is the US version of this training because I will do the same thing in French. So, you know that if you want to become an expert on Windows 10 desktop administrator, this is the right choice you did, okay? Because the skills of this training is to cover all the outline and all the content of the Windows 10 MD-100, okay? So this training will prepare you even if you don't want to pass the exam, okay? There's no stress, of course. You do like you want, but if you want to pass the exam, you can follow this training. This training will prepare you for the MD-100 certification and will help you to prepare your Microsoft 365 certified modern desktop admin associated workload. Okay, so or if you just want to have a great knowledge on Windows 10, yeah, this is the right choice. You are at the right place. So enjoy this full and complete training on Windows 10. My name is Fabrice, and I will be your instructor, your teacher for this course. All my other training are on my website, fluctuationit.com. Please choose the English version of the website because by default it's in French. Okay? So, like I told you, but it's not mandatory, of course. All my training, all my workshop, I try to prepare you for the certification if you need the certification. So, this course will help you to have the MD-100. See, wow, this is, this exam. So I passed it 3 months ago, and you will have three section for this course. Okay, so you will learn how to install and upgrade to Windows 10. You will learn how to plan and manage Windows 10 updates. You will plan to learn how to configure storage and working application in Windows 10, and and learn how to manage identity permission and threat protection. Today, threat protection is a big issue in Windows 10, and also how to support and troubleshoot the Windows 10 environment. So see this three section, and all these four sections, sorry, is in this course. So the first one is the MT101, 2, 3, 4. So installing Windows 10, configuration Windows 10, protecting Windows 10, and maintaining Windows 10. So this will be all the outline of the course. So what is the prerequisite? Okay, do you have the prerequisite to pass this course? Okay, no stress. Everybody can pass this course. Of course, if you have, for example, some knowledge on Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 10, of course it's better, but it's not mandatory. Okay, and on partial because partial is so important today. I just show you the link to go to the PowerShell training. It's a PowerShell for beginner. It's in English. You can find it on my website. If you have some knowledge on cloud computing like Office 365, like for example cloud computing like Azure, AWS, Amazon, or Google GCP, it's good. But no stress, okay? If you don't have those prerequisites, this training is for every level. So, okay, no problem. You can pass it. So what kind of job can you have with this certification? Okay, a lot of people saying, okay, I passed your training, but what kind of job can I answer? Okay, because if I see all the job that there is, I want to be sure that this certification match the job. So if I send my resume, I must have a lot of chance to have a ring back from the boss from the company and say, okay, you have this certification, fantastic, so I need you. So remember that most of the users today use Windows 10. Okay, more than 95% of Windows operating system are used, and this is Windows in company. So what kind of job can you have with this certification? You can have, for example, Windows 10 or Office support, remote desktop support. So this is, you know, a lot of job, a lot of company searching for a guy like you will have this certification. Windows Desktop System Administrator, of course, this is very, very a lot of demand on this type of job, and the Helpdesk and Technician level 1 and 2. Uh, Desktop admin, of course, and desktop support engineer. Okay, this is the type of job that you can search. So see a lot of job that you can search. Um, so the lab, you know, often people say me, okay, how can I prepare this training? Okay, because maybe I don't have a very great laptop. Maybe my laptop is not very powerful. So I will help you for that. Don't worry. You have so many solutions today. 10 years ago it wasn't so easy, but today it's very, very easy. Oh, sorry, because I'm doing this training directly near the sea and I have some noise, so I'm going to close the window. This is really so okay. So for the lab, you will need a virtualization solution for that. And what you need for the lab at least is one domain controller, so one DC with Active Directory, okay? And the OS version it's 2019. You can be 2016, but it's better to have the last operating system. This you can download directly your 2019 ISO directly from a Microsoft website, okay? Same thing for the Windows 10 Enterprise. You just type on Google try Windows 10 and you can download this 1901, so the build 1901 like 2019 the year and '09 for September. And you will need to download also Windows 7. You can find it not on the Microsoft website, but you can find it everywhere. You just type Windows 7 ISO and you will find it. You can also, if you want to have an Office 365 try, okay, this is something that you can have for the training. So you just have to, for example, say, I want to try Office 365 E5, for example. And so I will show you all that, okay, don't worry. And you have other solution for virtualization, okay? So maybe you have a computer with SSD with very fast. So you can, for example, install on your laptop VirtualBox or Hyper-V or VMware Workstation, okay? Or you can also rent a server, but it's more technical and maybe more money, but not very lot of money, but it's more technical, and you can install directly vSphere with free and our Hyper-V with free. And this could be a very good solution for you, is to have a free subscription to Azure, Amazon AWS, or Google GCP, or Alibaba. Okay, so let's stop this first section, and in the next section, I will show you all this, how to do the preparation. Okay, so see you in the next lecture, where we'll continue to speak about the lab preparation. This is so important. Okay, so see you in the next lecture. Bye bye. Ciao.